flight coordinator, and they set it up for him so that he should be able to see it when he registers the nose to put down.
So in his schedule, it's Friday, Sunday?
Correct. Yes, I believe so. Double check that Michelle.
Well, I've got this one coming on Thursday. You guys are not doing any this age group on this part.
That's fine. He would be with this person. We have a lot of that because kids are typically 1 or 2 years apart. We have some control now, but once you get out of Mike, we have no control. The USA has to say 9 or 10-year-olds go here, and 11 and 12-year-olds go here. Right now I have one in this group and one that's in Queens, it's 11 and 12-year-olds. So I get to come early in the morning and late in the afternoon. And
so how's she going to follow being a senior?
She's always going to be a young player. We have that a lot.